Sorry it took so long for me to make this video. Just got the kids dropped off yesterday. It's just been... anyway, here's the charging port issue. It's loose in the inside. So... and we've only been using the cable that came with it. I mean, that's the... oh, it's blurry. I don't know if you can see it. It's starting to come out or something. But it's real loose and it won't turn on. I've had it on the charger plugged into my laptop and it won't turn on either way. See? Trying to get a good angle on it. It just looks like the whole thing wants to come out or something. So, try to hold it down. Sometimes it would try to start to boot up, but I think it's just battery's just completely dead. I'm thinking this charger port's disconnected in the inside of it. But other than that, when we would rotate it, the screen wouldn't rotate correctly. It was upside down, it was backwards. So. Yeah, it's dead. Won't come on, won't recharge, won't do anything. I don't really know what else to do. Thank you.